When children class 10, today date is 30/9/2020, and this is the last day for the month of September. So already 3 months we have completed for our online classes, and I hope that you are taking it seriously and you are preparing in yourself. One thing, students, it is very important that you should labor hard. And all of you know nothing is impossible, everything is possible. You cannot excuse by yourself by saying, no, I am not understanding, I have no book, I have no smartphone. So dot 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 dot. So there are many excuses are there. But you should try how to find out the solution in this difficult time. That means if you have no smartphone, then we are sending the videos, we are sending this PPT, so you can borrow from your neighborhood. If anyone near your house having the smartphone, then you can ask them, please give me for 1 hour. Then you can note down everything and then return it. And you see, if you can see, if you will go through the history, you will see that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, he was our former president. And you know about his struggle life during the early time. In the early morning, he was taking the newspapers and distributing the newspapers in different houses. Then, after completing his work by distributing the newspapers, he was attending the classes. You can see about our Shastriji. There are many examples are there where if there is a will, if there is a way, there is a will. There are many examples are there. So I hope that you will take it seriously, because you see, your exam will be held. It is 100% sure. Just yesterday, the compartmental examination of a CBSE have completed. So, if the CBSE is doing the compartmental exam, then your form fill up, LOC work is going on in our school also. So, you see, your exam will be fixed, that you have to appear the examination. So, if you are well known that examination will be there, you have to attend the examination. So then why you are not serious? I know that direct coming to school and direct teaching and online teaching, there is the difference. But you are not the alone are facing this problem. Whole world is facing the problem. Everywhere in our country, if you go anywhere, everywhere there is the online classes. All the students are attending the online classes. So, if all are doing the same, so then why you should accept? You should accept that, yes, whatever the teachers are teaching, whatever the methods are providing to us, so we should be serious about that one. You see, you are the students. Your main work, what is your main work? Your main work is study. After that, the other works. You can do other works after that. But every day, you should determine that early morning you should get up. You should not think that there is no school. I am not going to school. So in my wish, I'll get up at 10 a.m., at 11 a.m. or at 8 a.m. Not like that. You should fix the timetable. Early morning you should get up. at 5 or 5:30. Then you have to do some meditation, some yoga, because nowadays you are not going anywhere. There is no physical exercise. You are bound in your home. You are not going outside. So that means at home, you are staying at home. So you have to give some time for meditation. You should give some time for yoga classes also. You should do pranayam. There are many pranayams are there. So it will keep your body healthy, fit and healthy. So early morning you have to get up. Early morning you should take your bath. Then you have to do some time for a yoga or some pranayam you have to do. Then you have to sit and you open your book and read the book. Try to understand from the book. If you are not understanding, again and again you read the book, then definitely you will be understand. If again you are not understanding, then you should ask your teachers or directly you can contact with me. There is no problem, there is no bound. If any student have any problem, you can direct talk with me, because I want how you will be do better in your future. There is no any restriction about that. So, my dear students, already 3 months we have started the online classes from 24/6/2020. It is near about 3 months completed, more than 3 months completed. So, I hope that you will be serious and you will be do your study properly. And any doubt you will ask, you should not say to your parents, no, I have no attended for, I am not understanding, I have no book, I have no copy, not like that. You don't know when I was a child, there was the shortage of paper. So I was writing on the floor only. Mathematics require practice. So I was writing the mathematics on the floor only. After that I rubbed the floor. Then again I was writing on the same floor. So you should think about how you have to save the paper also. How you have to save your parents' money also. This is also important. Because you see, I have the money. That does not mean that I will expense without any meaning. So you have to think, use the money, expense the money, that it does not matter. But in the genuine case, you have to spend the money. There will be no problem. So your parents are earning, but you should think that how you will save your parents' money. That is also important. So I think you have to take care of it, and then you have to do hard labor. Okay, and follow a discipline line. Follow a discipline line, because you see, if you are very good in study, but if your behavior is not proper, then no one will like you. I am saying, if 2 students will be given to me, one student is good in study, but behavior is not proper. Another student is not good in study, but well behaved. So if anyone will ask me whom I will choose from these two, so definitely I will choose the student who is not good in study, but well in behavior. I am always, when I was the teacher, same thing. I was giving the example to my students that you see, first is the behavior. First is you should know you should be well disciplined, because earning money, that is not the important. Everyone can earn money, but if we will be in disciplined way, if we are earning the money honestly, then definitely we will be success in our future. You don't think that no one is here to look us, but God is there. God is there. The God is looking us. You should think that someone is here who is looking to me, I am right or wrong. That also you have to take care of it. Okay. So I think that you should be well in discipline, maintain punctuality, then regularly study, regularly writing practice you have to do. Okay, because you see, if you not do practice, not study from now, so at a time many chapters will come for you. So at that time what will you do? Understanding? The farmers who are cultivating, that does not mean that one day they are doing everything. It takes some time for plowing the field. It require 15 days. Again, that rowing the seeds, rowing the saplings, it also require 15 days. Then taking care of the saplings, sufficient water is there or not, insects are there or not. So they are taking care from the beginning only, then they are harvesting the products, the cereals, what you can see. So it takes about 4 to 5 months. Similarly, you for do better result, you have to also from the beginning and from regular and you have to do regular practice. Regular practice is very important for us. If you will not do, then you will not success. Because you see, if you think that 2 days I will not eat, and when I will eat for last 2 days. Is it possible? Not possible. If you will eat, then it will be indigestion. The same process, same problem. If you not do regularly, not study every day, then you will face the problem. So I think that all of my dear children, you are understood what I told you. Actually, I want to start the chapter. I want to start the question answer. But I thought that before starting to teach, I should say something so that teaching will be done and then you will get some moral support from me. Thank you. Have a good day. Let us start the question.